Here we will see working of single page application. Single page application works inside a browser and require no page reloads during the use. This is achieved by the application by requesting associated data independently and rendering the web page directly in the browser. With this, single page application performs much like a desktop application, which provides a seamless user experience with no interruption due to page reloading. Working of single page application is as follows. First, the page is loaded and it requests static assets from the web server. Then the front-end framework renders the layout using HTML and CSS, and the JavaScript is executed for requesting the data to the server. Then the JavaScript loads the data in the page. As the user interacts with the page, more data is requested and loaded on the page, and the page is updated without reloading it. Now we'll see workflow of single page application with respect to gmail.com. First, user open the search engine and type the gmail.com on the browser. Then the browser sends an HTTP request to the Gmail server for the requested URL. Gmail server responds to the request by sending back files including HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. These files includes the JavaScript code which is necessary to run Gmail as a single page application. Then browser executes the JavaScript code that is received from the server. This code will take over the responsibility of rendering the user interface. At this point, you will see the Gmail interface which is loaded on your screen. Once Gmail is running, it will handle most of the user interaction by making HTTP request to an API server. For example, when you click on email to read it, Gmail makes a request to the server to get the content of that email. The API server responds to the Gmail request by sending back data, typically in JSON format. This data contains the content of the email that you have clicked on. Gmail uses the data that is received from the API server to update the user interface. The email content is displayed on your screen without reloading the whole page. And this process repeats every time when you interact with the Gmail. Whether you are sending an email, deleting an email, moving an email to a folder or any other action you are doing, Gmail updates the appropriate part of the page without reloading the entire new page, which gives you a smooth, seamless experience.